Hi, this is Paul with a quick video on how to make a string bow for practicing the 11 steps of archery. After you have your string cut, you're going to fold it in half and hold it with your bow hand to form a little loop. That way you can fit 3 fingers in there for your archer's groove. You're going to draw back to your anchor point with the crook of your mouth. Your elbow's not going to be too high or too low, and hopefully not overdrawn. You're going to be hopefully straight, and someone can check you to make sure you're in the right spot. You're going to tie a knot right there. Tie it loose so that you can adjust it later. And you're going to hold the knot in the lifeline of your palm. You can use your finger to help you hold it in the right spot into your anchor point right there. You can tie an additional knot. Put your 4 fingers right here. Okay, and tie a knot about right there. That way when you're practicing, you don't have to pick the string up off the ground every time. Your hand should be able to slide through, and you'll be able to fit that knot right in the lifeline of your palm. When you practice and form, you should be able to hopefully get the string to jump forward, and you can adjust the knot as you go.